my jeans, ayy. Your boy a bozo, no, he can fuck with me, ayy. I'm a soldier, keep his ass asleep, ayy. Blue beans, yellow pack, red bean, ayy.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another episode. In today's episode, we are gonna be doing something different. Well, not different, something what we did before. As you can see, we got FRS here, so we are gonna be installing white body kit. So this is nothing new that we have done before, but we've done Rocket Bunny V3 kit, Pandem V3 kit. But this guy, we're gonna be installing. A V1 Rocket Bunny V1 kit. Show you guys the parts. So this guy, the owner, he's already painted all the body kit already, so we just have only fenders, which is kind of good. Let's work. Enough talking, let's get to work. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking apart the car. We'll start with the front. Front's easier, much better. It's gonna make a lot of mess because of the snow. It's melting and the water. So let me put you guys. Let's get to work. First step was jack up the car, remove the wheel, and then fender liner, so it makes it much easier for you to do it. The owner said this car was an accident, just came out from a body shop. Well, look at this. So I just have to basically cut. I will have to cut here, all the way here probably. Try to cut the bottom, folded. This side I'm not going to be able to do anything because it's already smashed. I don't want to make it worse, so leave it there. Yeah, there's a fresh BC coilover rouge. That's a lot of water right there, damn. Drives me nuts. I have to put something on the bottom. So yeah, now we're gonna start cutting. As you can see, I did mock up the front fender. So it's pretty good. I already cut the fender. I did a lot of cutting and bashing. That side is already screwed, so I can't really do anything about it, but try to fold it in a little bit more. So I chop it off the stuff we don't need, and then fold it up so it's gonna be extra strength. And then I have to clean it, basically wash it up, clean it with the brake cleaner, and then paint some paint so it's not gonna rust. And then I already cut the bumper. I do have to cut it more here, but for right now should be fine. So yeah, we are finished basically with the front. Now I have to do go ahead and drill some holes. Okay, and we are finished installing the front fender. As you can see, bolted up. The line's sitting pretty good. Do not have the front piece, front bumper piece, so he didn't bring it, he forgot, so we'll work what we have. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and move to the rear. Well, before I'm gonna remove everything, to remove the tape, clean it up, and paint that spot. And just nothing major, just there's a bare metal, so just a little bit. Let me do it off camera, this, because you don't want to see how we're moving. Put it back on, and then we'll move to the rear. See, I already gone ahead and started. I took it out the outer shell right there, and then I left it with the inner shell, and I did the relief cuts. As you can see, the smaller you get relief cuts, it's easier for you to fold it. So I marked where I need to cut, so I just put the fender on and see where it needs to be cut, and then I'm gonna fold it and probably try to weld it. You just have to cut it the outer shell first. That was my cleanest cut I ever did. The first was I traced where I need to cut, so I didn't cut it all the way, I just on the top, and then I cut it again. And then relief cuts, I still have to cut it a little bit more so I can fold it a little bit better. Let me do the more cutting and folding, I'll update you guys. One side is finished up. Ain't the perfect one. I'm gonna take it out of this basically dripping silicone, but I close it out. I use the gray, so it matches the gray. I'll just put it like that for now. Once it gets a little bit harder, I'm gonna go ahead and try to go one more time, make it nicer. Yeah, you did it. I welded messy around here, so now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up here, and we're gonna move to the other side. We are officially finished wide body in FRS. It took some time, but I mean, we've done that before, so nothing crazy. This is probably the easiest one because there's no side skirts. For example, V3, you have to put the side skirt with the front and rear fender all bolted together and put in the car if you want to perfect fitment. With this, it's a little bit different. Front goes front, rear, like separately. That's fine. Let me show you guys about the fitment. I'll put the molding. The car is a little dirty. I mean, that's fine. Don't want to paint it before installing it. Not a lot of people does that, but the fitment looks pretty good. I have a same fitment here. I mean, it's authentic, so I would expect, but still, you can still screw it up if you're doing it wrong. So they call it measure twice, cut it once. So there you go. It follows the body line like that. That's pretty good. The perfect fitment. Flush. I mean, it looks weird without the wheels, but the car is dirty too. And here's the other side. So yeah, we are officially finished. The owner is gonna come in and pick the car up. We already sealed it up, so everything is good. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.